Hi there. Here we have the 2015 Chevy Express G2500 van. And upon inspection, we noticed that the oil pressure was low. So what we're gonna do is use this kit from MotorPower Care. Using MotorPower Care's engine flush, this will restore the compression and clean the oil system within the engine. Afterwards, we're gonna use the fuel system cleaner to protect and clean the fuel system. After using the engine flush, we'll need to drain the oil from the vehicle, change the filter, and install some fresh oil, but not before pouring a bottle of oil system care in the oil system. So to start, we'll need the engine to be warm before we pour the engine flush inside. After pouring in the bottle of engine flush, we'll start up the vehicle and leave it running for about 20 to 25 minutes. The product is safe enough to use even while the vehicle is running. Since the product contains a lubrication agent and it doesn't contain any alcohol, there's no need to be worried about damaging anything. A single bottle of the engine flush can treat 6 quarts of oil, and this particular vehicle holds the same amount. After running the engine for about 25 minutes and occasionally pressing down on the accelerator to help get the oil circulating, the product should be thoroughly cleaning the oil system and doing its job. Now turn the vehicle off and start performing an oil change. As you can see, here we have the oil filter and we've just pulled out the plug to drain the oil out of the vehicle. Now you can see just how dirty the oil inside the vehicle was. It wasn't this dirty when we began the process. So what we're gonna do is completely drain the oil out of the vehicle, taking the oil filter off and changing it. Before adding the new oil, pour the bottle of oil system care inside, similar to how you poured the bottle of engine flush in. This product contains nanomolecules, which is very good for protecting your engine. Now, since we're finished changing the oil, we're gonna start up the vehicle. If you noticed earlier in the video, the compression level was a little bit higher than 20. Now, you'll notice we've gained a little bit more pressure after cleaning the system using the MotorPower Care kit. Just to protect your vehicle engine, we always use this kit to promote better oil circulation in the vehicle. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching.